Hi guys, our next video will be about zero and negative exponents. Zero and negative exponents came from the law of exponent, which is quotient of powers. So quotient of power states that a to the power of m over a to the power of n is equivalent to copy the base a, then subtract the exponents m minus n. Now, if we're going to follow this one, for this example, let's have a squared over a squared. That will become a to the power of 2 minus 2. And 2 minus 2 is 0. So the answer here will be a to the power of 0. Now in here, this is the reason why we are having 0 exponent. Now, if we're going to have another way of solving that one, a squared over a squared, that will be a times a over a times a. Then applying cancellation process, we have a in the numerator, a in the denominator, and this will become 1, 1. Then same with the second, we're going to cancel out. The answer will be 1 times 1 is 1. Then denominator 1 times 1 is 1, or simply 1. Now in here, this means that a to the power of 0 is just equal to 1. Meaning all the numbers raised to the power of 0 will be 1. Except, of course, for the value of 0. So this will be except 0. Okay, the next one, the negative exponent. This, for example, if we're going to have a to the power of 4 over a to the power of, let's have 7. So following that one, this will become copy the base a, then subtract the exponents 4 minus 7, and this will result to a to the power of negative 3. The exponent of the numerator is lesser than the exponent of the denominator, then we can follow the second case in the quotient of powers. This is 1 over a to the power of n minus m. That is, if the exponent of the denominator is greater than the exponent of the numerator. Now if we're going to answer this one using this case here, we can have a to the power of 4 over a to the power of 7. This will be equivalent to 1 over a to the power of 7 minus 4. And this is equivalent to 1 over a to the power of 3. Since these two are equal, so we can say that a to the power of negative 3 is equivalent to 1 over a cubed. So if we are going to have a negative exponent, to simplify that one, you will just write 1 as the numerator and put that expression with the negative exponent in the denominator and changing the negative sign to positive sign. So a to the power of negative 3, exponent is 1, our numerator is 1 over, you're going to put this one in the denominator, changing negative 3 to positive 3. Let's have some examples. Now, if we're going to simplify, for example, let's have 1000 raised to the power of 0, automatically this will be equal to 1. It's because any number raised to the power of 0 is equivalent to 1. Another example, number 2, let's have x squared y to the power of 4 raised to the power of 0. So again, automatically this will be equivalent to 1. Let's have this one. Let's have x to the power of negative 4. Since this one is negative 4, In order to simplify this one, we'll make this one a positive exponent. So automatically the numerator will be 1 and over. We're going to put this one in the denominator, x to the power of 4. So your answer will be 1 over x to the power of 4. Number 4. Let's have 2 to the power of negative 3. So 2 to the power of negative 3, this is 1 over 2 cube. And 2 cube is 8, so you're going to have 1 over 8. I hope this video helped you. Thank you and goodbye.